Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shaneika. If you are new here, I am so excited to have you here. You are very welcome. Today we're going to get right into this video. We are going to do some home decor finds that I picked up for spring 2026 that I want to share with you guys. I'm so excited to decorate for spring. Just to brighten up my space because I just have so many black accents, so many black decor pieces, and I just wanted to make my space just a little bit more feminine this year. So let's get right into it. So the first piece I picked up for spring was this beautiful candle holder. I got this from Amazon. The original price for a specific brand was $30, but I was like, no, I have to find a way to find this cheaper. So I was able to find this, you guys, for $12.95, and I'll leave the link for this one below. But I just think it's beautiful. It's in this amber color, and I just placed my candle on top of it. I put it on my table wherever I want to place it. You guys, it just makes the place just look so luxurious. This something so small and beautiful like this. Now the second piece I picked up from Amazon because I just, I'm just into lighting and just, in the nighttime, just making the atmosphere just really nice ambience with beautiful lighting to wind down. So I picked up this beautiful Touch Me light. It's a rechargeable light. It has 3 different colors. You guys, when I put this on the side table by my couch, it's absolutely gorgeous. And this I picked up from Amazon, and it's a beautiful chrome Touch Me light, and it was $30. Well worth it. Now another piece I picked up was this Touch Me rechargeable light. This one also has 3 different modes. It's absolutely beautiful. This was from Zara, and this one was $59.90. You can also find this on Temu for $20 as well. And just adding those touches of silver or chrome, oh my gosh, it just takes the place to a different level, you guys. I am loving it. Also, what I can't get enough of, it's because I love my candles and I have a candle in every single room, is this beautiful candle snuffer. I wish it was more of like a bronze color, but it isn't. I got it from Amazon, and this was $10. And this is a very functional piece because when you blow your candles out, if you ever get like that black color around your candles, the rim, it's because when you blow it out, the smoke, I guess, just blows around it and makes it black. I may not be saying that right, but when you use a candle snuffer, it prevents that. Now another item I picked up, which I desperately needed, was some new coasters. These are in a terratine material. It comes in a pack of 4. You guys, I absolutely love this beautiful color, and this was also from Amazon. A lot of the stuff I got, you guys, are mostly from Amazon. The next find that I got from Amazon was this beautiful book. Like I said, I want to add a pop of color. I want to add some roses and just more colors to my home. So I picked up this beautiful home decor book about ponies. You guys, the pictures on the inside are absolutely gorgeous. So just imagine leaving this open on your coffee table or your sideboard table for display. Absolutely beautiful. And ponies are one of my favorite flowers. Now the next item we got was this beautiful marble vase I got from HomeGoods. This was $40, you guys, but it's so worth it. It is heavy, it is solid, it's like lifting some dumbbells, but it's beautiful, and I can use this piece all year round. So again, this one is from HomeGoods. Another piece that I picked up from Amazon for spring, you guys, well, this is going to be used for all year round. Currently, I just have some pine cones on the inside of it. I got this for $17. I believe that Michael's has it as well when I was doing some research on it, but I got it from Amazon. And it's just this beautiful espresso deep chocolate color. Look at that, you guys. And you can put this anywhere in your house, and you can just put whatever you want inside of it. Use it for a catch-all bowl. Whatever you want to do, you do with it. It's your house. Now, like I said, I wanted to add some pop of color to my house. I wanted to just kind of be a little bit more funky and put myself out there. So you guys, I am going to try color. I found this beautiful rose blush color that goes with the painting that I'm going to be changing out my smaller pillow cushions for. And this I got from Amazon, and it came in a pack of 2. I have this material in the bigger size for my bigger throw pillows, and this rose blush color, you guys, absolutely beautiful. This goes with your bronze, this goes with your neutrals, this goes with even that navy color that we saw in my painting. And just trying to keep the flow throughout my house. I got this on sale from Target. This is going to be a new shower curtain from Threshold for my bathroom. You guys, this is definitely different for me, but this is going to be so pretty, and it's going to go with those beautiful, it's like a chocolate / bronze, but it's the same color in here, bathroom mat that I got for the bathroom. I'm going to show you guys that a little later. So this one was from Target. Now, from Ross, we picked up this beautiful black bowl, $14.99. I love the irregular shape about this bowl, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And you can use this all year round as well. I'm just going to put some moss ball in here or some moss. Now we got 2 items left for this spring haul. I didn't get a lot of stuff. 3 items left. This tray, you guys, I have been trying to get for the past 2 years. The price did go up on this tray. This one's $30 by Tommy Bahama, but it's beautiful. I love the dark color, the chocolate espresso, the neutral colors in here, and we're going to be using this all year round. You always need a tray just to kind of group and keep your small items together so they're not looking cluttered. Now, when it comes to floral, I did get the ponies from Michaels. I'll put a clip in since I don't have it here with me. They're gorgeous, you guys. I got those 2 years ago, and I'm going to pull those out again. And I have a lot of florals I'm going to be using that I have stored away, but I've done videos on all the florals that I have, so I don't want to go through that again. But I got these beautiful stems from Michaels, you guys. They're absolutely beautiful. They're so realistic. For some reason, these are shedding. I'm not sure why. They must have sent me a bad batch, but I didn't feel like returning them, so we'll make them work. But look at this stem on this, you guys. Gorgeous. And I got this on sale at the 40% off sale at Michael's because these were expensive. I think these were like $20 for one stem, something like that. So I waited for the 40% off, and I got them for $10 each. So I got 2 of those, and that's all you need. Now, the next item I got, I needed the side table, you guys. I found this solid wood piece at Ross. Look at this. Look how solid, beautiful, thick, good quality this is, this piece of wood. And it's originally $50, $49.99. But because it kind of had like a crack in the leg, splitting down the leg, which is fine with me, as you can see here. I can always take some kind of wood glue, Gorilla Glue, and just seal that up. They gave it, I got a discount on it, and I got it for $37. So you guys, I always get a deal. So this solid piece is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I could just move it in different places. Right now I have it at the side of my couch, but like I said, when I have my little reading corner here, I could always move it, put it right here with my coaster.
Okay, you guys.
Yeah, you guys. Okay, you guys. So for spring, I wanted to just do something bold. I wanted to do something out the box, and I wanted to just brighten up the space because I just have so much black furniture throughout my whole entire home. So I kind of switched out a couple of pieces, like this console table here, and I got it in this beautiful walnut color. I absolutely love the fluted details on this console table. And then I picked up this beautiful abstract painting. You guys, I think it's so beautiful. Like, it has the chocolate brown, it has a pop of white, just like this rustic color. It even has blue in here, and I'm not a fan of blue, but this beautiful navy blue is just so pretty. It has, you know, just all these beautiful colors, and I just love the way it just blends together. I think it just really just brightens up my space and just makes it a bit more feminine. So these are one of the pieces that I've picked up for spring, and you guys, I absolutely love it. And you guys, it doesn't cost a lot of money to kind of just, you know, just elevate your space or just add new pieces. I thought I was gonna spend like $100 or more for a piece in a size like this, but I found this at Ross and I got it for $49, you guys. So $45 for this painting, and this is a 40 by 40. And this I got from Amazon. I also saw that they had it on the TikTok shop when I was just comparing prices. And I got this for $100 and I believe $30 something, and it's absolutely worth it. So you guys, these are the two added pieces that I added to my home for spring. And I'm gonna leave this is not sponsored, I bought this all with my own money, but I'll leave the link below because there's some people who just like to know where you got an item from. So yeah, you guys. Okay, guys, so another piece that I added for spring was this beautiful floor lamp. I have been looking for a floor lamp, and I was like, you know what? I was looking on Facebook Marketplace, I was looking at IKEA, I was looking at Amazon, but I just wasn't finding the right one for me. So I was like, you know what? One day, Sunday, I woke up and I was like, I'm gonna go to the thrift shop and I am going to find a floor lamp that is gonna look beautiful in my home. And lo and behold, you guys, when I went into this thrift store, I found this. I wasn't gonna get it, but I just kept looking at it. It was originally a beautiful bronze color, but I painted it over black, and I got a new lampshade as well. This lampshade I got for $3 at the thrift shop as well, but I got this the week after I purchased this lamp. This lamp actually can go up higher, adjust higher, or it can adjust lower and be a nice reading lamp just to create some nice ambiance within the atmosphere. So you guys, this was another beautiful find that I found at the thrift shop for spring for $10 and $3 for the lamp. So I spent $13 total for this piece right here. And you guys know something like this is like $160, $150, sometimes more depending on the brand and where you get the floor lamp from. So you guys tell me what you think about it. And another piece that I picked up for spring was this beautiful console table. I originally had some buffet cabinets here that I got from Amazon 2 years ago, but I just didn't like the tone of wood that it was. So I spray painted it over black, and it just wasn't doing it for me. So I picked up this beautiful walnut sideboard from Amazon, you guys. Got it at a really good price. I'll leave the link below. And it's this beautiful walnut color. It has a lot of space on the inside, so I can store a lot of my decor pieces. I even can store my printer. So I'm excited about that. So this is one of the other pieces that I picked up for spring. And this, I believe, is 65 inches long as far as like the width goes. And I like the fact that, you know, it's a little bit longer than the TV just to add some balance. Now, the other thing I picked up for spring, I've been hunting this marble lamp out for the longest. I was able to find this at HomeSense. It was $100, but you guys, it is marble. I absolutely love it. I'm kind of torn when it comes to the lampshade. I'm not really sure that I love it. I like it, but I don't love it. So I'm probably gonna just be researching and trying to research a better lampshade or maybe a different color lampshade. But I think the touch of black just really kind of helps elevate it. But it's really heavy, you guys. It's solid. It's a beautiful piece. And this sideboard, it just really adds some nice, it just brightens up the living room and just made everything just so beautiful. So yeah, this is it, you guys. So this was another added piece that I added for spring. That is it for this spring haul. Thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. I will leave the links down below for you. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave your comments. God bless you and your family, and I just pray his protection over you all, and I will see you in the next vlog.